Sort of a cappella, but not. I could feel like. Ooh, is that with this guy that you were talking about, Astra? Oh, treat yourself. The fuck is happening with this wood? So much Sarah. This wood just wants to splinter out. Hopefully it doesn't happen with the last pass. Oh, very nice. I love that for you, Astra. I should do that. I deserve that a little bit. Did you score? Good question. Amazing. You deserve it. Ah, you should go for it.
Diabetes. Diabetes.
Diabetes, diabetes.
On my
Diabetes.
behalf.
Diabetes.
Diabetes, diabetes.
Eat all the candy and,
So,
and
you got
be like,
diabetes.
okay, I'm eating this because Lee cannot. That's what I want. Oh, it's so much. Oh shit, wait. I forgot. There we go. That's the right attitude. Love that. Ooh, this is gonna be complicated. Half a job, Harry. You shouldn't give up dating yourself, Astra. I mean, Maranthus. Man, is this what it looks like when you flatten things with that jig thing that you made, Doof? Holy fucking dust. Splinters incoming? Much worse? What happened? $38 mils. Yeah, that's a lot of material. Oh, what am I doing? Okay. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 42. Oof. Facing it here.